Welcome, beautiful human beings. Learning to be human beings, and I want to today go over the 3 different variations for sun salutations. And we've been doing this in our rooftop class, but not on the online class because I haven't created new videos, so I'm going to do that right now. So the first version is the child's pose version, which is the easiest of the 3 versions that I'm going to show you today. And we are starting at the top of the mat, and when I say top of the mat, I'm meaning the rest of the mat is behind you. It's going to wrinkle a bit. And our goal is to coordinate our breath with our movement. So you're starting here, and it's awesome to do outside and actually salute the sun, our life-giving star. So I'm starting with my hands in prayer position, hands to heart. I go to the end of the exhale. I'm inhaling up to sky-reaching pose. And then exhaling down to hands to feet pose. Then inhaling by putting my left foot back while putting my left foot back into equestrian pose. And you can have a knee down, a knee up, but this is a chest, throat, heart opening posture. That's an inhale. And then lower that knee if it's up, and if it's already down, just adjust that foot. Exhale back into child's pose. And then transitioning through a table, got 2 feet, 2 knees, hover chest over, chest and chin hovering, 8 limbs, and up to upward dog or low cobra. Inhale, upward dog or low cobra. And then exhale back into child's pose. And then inhale while you step your left foot forward between your hands into equestrian pose. If you're stepping your foot back and it's hard for you, use your left hand, assist your leg with your left arm, and just place it between your hands. So you've got your shin, your tibia is this hard weight-bearing bone is perpendicular to the floor between your hands. That is an inhale to equestrian pose. Exhale to hands to feet pose. Inhale to sky reaching pose. And exhale hands to heart. And that is 1/2 of a sun salutation, the child's pose version 1. That is 1/2. I'm going to do the second half flowing and just giving you the inhale and exhale cues. So we're here. So for the first half, my left foot went back and then my left foot came forward. For the second half, my right foot's going to go back and my right foot's going forward. So I'm hands to heart. Inhale, sky reaching. Exhale, hands to feet. Breathing is through your nose. Right foot goes back. Inhale, equestrian. Exhale to child's pose. Transition through 8 limbs. Inhale to low cobra or upward dog. Exhale to child's pose. Right foot steps forward. Inhale, equestrian. Exhale, hands to feet pose. Inhale to sky reaching pose. And exhale to hands to heart. Easy. Easy, easy, easy. It's not easy. It takes a lot of practice, but you got this, people. Good job.